it's Cynthia and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you guys a colorful look. It is a sunset eye look. Without much more of me talking, we will get right into the video. So I'm going to start off by doing my base makeup. I'm going to prime my face with the Benefit Professional. And now going in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect in the shade 03 or light beige. I'm just going to put this on. Now that I have that on, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I just bought this and I actually really like this. I've switched to this other than my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. I'm also going to be using this as my eyeshadow base, so I'm just going to blend that out onto my eyelid. And I'm going to set that with the Coty Airspun Loose Powder in Translucent. This powder is so good for baking, except it flashes back. I usually like to use this when I'm not taking flash photography, and I like to put this all over my face. So I'm just going to let that sit for a little bit, and then I will wipe it off and be right back. Now that I'm looking pale, I'm going to go ahead and move on to my eyes. I'm going to take the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to start off with this red shade right here, and I'm going to put that in the crease, but try not to bring it up too high. I'm just going to buff out the edges. And now using another brush, this is the Morphe M506. I'm going to take this orange shade right here, and I'm going to bring that right above the red. And as I do that, I'm going to be blending these shades together. And then using my Morphe E18, I'm going to grab this yellow shade right here, put it right above the orange. And I'm going to go ahead and go back into the orange shade because I kind of lost it a little bit. And also I'm going to go back into the red because I kind of lost that as well, the intensity. And going in with a blending brush, this is my Morphe M573. I'm just going to go ahead and try to blend all of these together. Finally, for the lid, I think I'm going to go into this purple shade right here. Then add a little more red to blend that in. Now I'm just going over all the colors so you could see them all individually. Now finally, taking my Morphe M573 again, I'm just going to do a little more blending. And now I'm just going to go ahead and do the exact same thing off camera to the other eye, and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and did the other eye off camera, and now I'm going to do the bottom lash line. I'm going to go ahead and go in with that orange, that same orange that I've been using. And by the way, I'm using the Morphe M508. I'm going to bring that all the way to the inner corner. Taking my Morphe E18 brush, I'm going to get that same yellow color that I've been using and bring it underneath. Now taking an even smaller brush, the Morphe E36, I'm going to go ahead and grab the red shade that I've been using and kind of intensify the lash line a little bit. Now going back in with that orange shade, I'm just going to blend together the red and the orange and the yellow. That looks so pale. And now taking the Morphe M573 again, I'm just going to blend the bottom lash line out. Alright, now that I have that all blended out and ready to go, I'm just gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes as well as finish my base. So pretty much the contour, blush, and highlight, and I will be right back. So I went ahead and did the rest of my makeup off camera, and this is the final look. So this was actually the first time that I've ever done a colorful look like this, and I'm actually really in love with it, and I love the way it came out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, be sure to give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe, and it should be somewhere here, the little subscribe thing. I'll wait for you to subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell notification so you guys get notified every single time I drop a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves!